Cervical spondylosis. Hello, I am Dr. Anand Sharma and I am physiotherapist at Pacific Care Physiotherapy Center, Greenfield Colony, Faridabad. Now I am discuss for the cervical spondylosis. So basic we know the cervical spondylosis. Cervical spondylosis is just a destruction of the joint that is also known as cervical arthritis. Means tear and wear of the joint in the cervical spine, that is called cervical spondylosis. Majority of this destruction of joint occur mainly in the old age peoples, mainly middle age maybe occurs, which cause to the cervical muscle stiffness, muscle spasm in the neck and the shoulder joints. Basically, in the cervical spine, there is a destruction of the in the cervical space of the two vertebrae. That is disc. There is a narrow of the spacing in the cervical spine, and that may cause. Sometimes they may cause to the radiate of the pain to the shoulder up to the arm and the hands. This is the main cause of the cervical spondylosis. And the pain is spreading in the shoulders and sometimes up to the arm and the finger, hands. Many patients complain that it's numbness, tingling and pricking sensations and the weakness of the shoulder, arms and the hand, and also seen to the muscle spasm, tenderness, muscle stiffness in the neck muscles. So primary cause of the degenerations of the joint, but now degeneration of joint and the old age. But nowadays people are in the sedentary lifestyles. That's why they have to using a repetitive use of the mobile, laptops and the cell phones. That's why the postures going over the use of the muscles and the posture going to in the bad postures. That's why the cervical spine may occur in the early stage. Early tips for the manage of cervical spondylosis. Following tips are: use hot water fermentations at your homes, and in the on the painful area of your cold pack of the muscles stiffness swelling. It depends on your how durations may be the prolong of your cervical spondylosis. And second, use free range of motion exercises, free neck movement to release the tensions on the spine. And one thing more, don't bend your neck on forward using while your computer, laptop, mobiles. So basic your posture should be in correct positions, and also you have to use a pillow over and pillow to the correct your postures. If cervical spondylosis is not treated in early stage, then it may lead to the worsening your conditions. Mainly lead to the worsening conditions of dizziness, headache, and weakness of your shoulders, arms, and hand muscles, and also may cause the numbness, tingling, picking sensations in your hands. That is the main cause, problems occur after not treating in early stage. So better to treat early as soon as possible. In the physiotherapy treatments, we have to use electromodality, electromodality and a stretching of the muscles of cervical spondylosis and the cervical spines, and we have to use muscles strengthening exercises. So basic muscles strengthening exercise now we have to discuss. Just stretch your neck like this. One hand in on your head and other is in shoulder, and just stretch and then relax. Okay, and other is touching your tip. In this exercise, don't forward your neck. So take precautions, and then you can do that exercises. If there is a pain is increasing or something, they have to happen. There, if pain is increasing or worsening conditions, to consult to the specifically physiotherapy department for the further management of your cervical spondylosis. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.